Righto guys, I'd like to talk to you about trading price action on crypto. I remember some time ago some guy that's got a YouTube channel and to me, in my opinion, has got a shit attitude. The night he said that people that trade price action deserve to lose their money. Now, personally, I hate to hear anybody that has lost money trading crypto, forex, stocks, or whatever you're trading. I really do not like to hear when people have lost their money trading. But the night this guy said that, I just knew that sometime you're going to be crying very long tears. And I cannot tell you how happy I was to hear on his YouTube channel when he admitted to that he had lost 60% of his money on Lunna. I watched that portion maybe 20 times, if not more. That's how much I enjoyed hearing that he had lost his money, because he said guys that trade price must lose their money. Let me just show you guys that trade price, because I'm a very big believer in trading price. To me, it is the best and the only way to trade anything, no matter what you're trading, because I had lost a lot of money when I wasn't trading price. Believe me if I tell you, I lost a lot. But nowadays I take it very cautious and I trade price. Now here is a Lunna chart right behind me over here. Here's a Lunna chart, right? And round about here, you can say that was on the 10th of April, let's say the 11th of April. You had an exit signal. Price was telling you to get out of Lunna, and that was round about at 90, let's say about 90 to $85. Price told you to get out. Now, already, let me just draw one more indicator in here, right? Which I didn't even, let's just even if you just take a trend line like that there. Your first exit signal came over here. That's the first price signal telling you to get out of Lunna. Clearly, you can see I've just connected some of the more lows that you can connect onto your line, the better. I've just done that one there quickly just to show you an indication. There was the very first price signal to get out, and at this point of time I already told my one friend that also trades crypto that it's time for us to get out of Lunna. And when I saw this here, I told him it's time to get out, and he convinced me no, it's time to stay. But nevertheless, I still sold out maybe 60 or 70% of my Lunna that I had. It wasn't much in any case. I just didn't believe in the whole Lunna thing, because when anything is, how must I put it to you, when anything is pegged to something like the UST, and they guarantee it can't fall and all this type of thing, and you stake it and you're just getting more coins, guys, anything like that is a bullshit story. It just can't. How can you just doubling your coins and the value of that coin stays the same or goes up? How's that possible? How can you double something without losing value? It's just not possible. Think about it logically. But anyhow, nevertheless, my point being, trading price action, there was the second exit signal to get out, right? And if you're still too stupid to get out at that point over there, the third signal came over here at $30. Get out, right? There was the third signal. You broke your master trend, the major trend, right? So trading price, guys, you have so many warnings to get out of a trade, and you can also have 3 or 4 more warnings to get into a trade. I mean, let's say you had missed your entry or down on this trade over here. Look how many entries you had. Get back in, get back in again, get back in again, and here came your signal, get out. Or there was your signal. If you want to trade the trend lines, there was your signal, and every single one of those would have given you a profit. So when I hear guys like that guy that says we deserve to lose our money, I can't tell you how much enjoyment I got out of it when I heard he had lost virtually 60% of all his money. Guys, to me that was music, the best music I've heard in a very long time. But anyhow, I hope he has learnt his lesson, and that maybe he will come down to ground again and respect what he's saying and think of what he is saying, because it looks like he might be too brain dead to think of what he is saying. Anyhow, guys, please be wake up. If you want to trade crypto, forex, you can lose your entire investment very, very quick. Be wake up, look for your signals, work out your strategy, and just execute your strategy without thinking. You must just follow it. You've worked it out, you've checked that it works. Guys, just keep to it and don't change, just keep to it. Now also I hear some people reckoning that they're going to trade $400 up to $1 million trading against the trend. Oh my God. Good luck to you. That's all I can say. Because anybody that is trading against a major downtrend and you want to trade up, guys, you really need to know what you are doing. Honestly, I hope he can make success because he claims he did it once, but yet he did it in maybe one of the best bull runs crypto ever had. If we will ever see a bull run like that again, I have my doubts because it looks like the pressure on crypto getting regulated is becoming bigger and bigger by the day. It looks like ADA is already registered as a commodity on the American exchanges, so I think maybe for the next 2 years or so we're going to have a very, very rough time in crypto, in the crypto space. But I reckon after that it'll be a lot more stable and I think a lot more secure. I think the legislation that's coming in could only do good. It can avoid things like this over here happening. I know they say there was something wrong with the algorithm. Personally, I don't believe that. I just don't. Something like this, and then they still got the cheek to come back and try and get people to invest into their schemes again. I don't know, guys. I think for yourself. A person that has done this to me, I don't think I'll ever trust that person again in my life. Anyhow, guys, if you are still trading crypto, good luck. Make a good study on price action. Make sure you know how to trade price action, how to read the candles, to make sure you know when to get in and when to get out of the market. Don't try to hodl. In the long run, it doesn't pay off. Really, it doesn't. Price action is maybe the best way you can trade any market. It doesn't matter what market it is. Years ago, you got the point and figure charts, which was actually maybe one of the best charting packages you could get. But lately, with all those new Japanese candlesticks and all these things over here, the point and figure charts have died a slow death. But if you know how to read point and figure charts and you take it on a big time frame like on daily or weekly, I think you'll do very well. Anyhow, guys, with that said, happy trading, and let's hope for better times to come soon.